National Electrical Code, specifically Section 408.4b, mandates that service disconnecting means for one or more buildings must be readily accessible and capable of being locked in the open position. The term readily accessible, while not explicitly defined within the NEC, is generally understood to mean easily reachable and unobstructed. While a specific minimum height requirement for service disconnects isn't explicitly stated, the NEC does offer general guidance for the installation of electrical equipment. It's generally recommended to install service disconnects at a height that facilitates easy access for both maintenance and operation. This typically translates to a height range of 4 to 6 feet above the finished grade or floor level. Several factors should be taken into account when determining the appropriate height for a service disconnect. Firstly, consider the type of installation. For outdoor installations, the service disconnect should be positioned at a height that minimizes the likelihood of obstruction from vegetation or landscaping. Secondly, ensure adequate access. The service disconnect should be situated in an area that is readily accessible, such as near a doorway or gate. It's important to note that local code authorities might have specific requirements or recommendations concerning the height of service disconnects. Therefore, it's always advisable to consult with the local authority to ensure compliance with all applicable regulations. While the NEC doesn't prescribe a minimum height for service disconnects, the general recommendation is to install them at a height that allows for easy maintenance and operation. When deciding on the appropriate height, consider factors like the type of installation, accessibility, and any local code requirements.